Yes. Yeah. Mm. Yeah, good evening all. So before I start, can anyone please confirm whether my voice is clear, whether the screen is visible or not, right?
Yes, sir, visible. Yes, sir, visible.
Yeah. Yeah. In the yesterday's class, I was discussing about fundamental data types. There are five types. Fundamental data types of five types. Int, float, boolean, string, complex. Int, age 25. So here integer floats, and yesterday I was discussing about collection type. List by using square bracket, tuple using this, using curly bracket is set, dictionary key value notation. Name Ajay, key and value. Age 25, this is key, this is value. I said we have got lot of discussion on these collections. List, list properties, list indexing, list slicing, list functions, list methods, list addresses, nested list. So all about these collection types we'll be discussing for 1 week on these collections. And in the case of fundamental types, we have got lot of discussion on string. Today my discussion would be on string. A string is a sequence collection. A string is a sequence collection of characters. A string is a sequence collection of characters. In Python, in Python, a string is represented. A string is represented using in Python, a string is represented using single quote, using double quote, and using triple quote. In Python, a string is represented using single quote, double quote, and triple quote. So single quote and double quote for a single line string, a word or a sentence, right? For a word or a sentence, you go for this. Okay. Example, city equal to Hyderabad. For a word or a line, you go with a single quote or double quote. For multiple lines or for a paragraph, you go for triple quote, right? Yes. Each character of a string, each character of a string is represented, or accessed by a unique index. Each character of a string is represented or accessed by a unique index. Each character of a string is each character is represented or accessed by a unique index. String supports two types of indexes: positive index or positive index or forward index. Positive index or forward index. Index starts from left to right. Index starts from left to right. Index starts with index starts from left to right. Index starts with 0. Negative index or backward index. Negative index or backward index. Index starts from right to left. Index starts from right to left. Index starts with a -1. Positive index or forward index. Index starts from left to right. Index starts with 0. Negative index or backward index. Index starts from right to left. Index starts with the -1. Okay. Just observe here. What is this forward index, backward index? Negative and positive index, right? String supports two types of index. So we can represent a string in Python using single quote, double quote, or triple quote. Right. A positive index or forward, backward index or negative index, right? Check this. In yesterday's class, I discussed what happens internally whenever you define some value in Python, a variable in Python, right? Yes. So here, anything if you are keeping in double quotes, it's a string, right? Python, it's a string. In double quote or single quote or triple quote, right? It's a string. So whenever you define Python, so internally, yesterday I was discussing an object is created, an object creates in this way, and this Python 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 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This we call it like. So it is going to occupy some address. It will be stored in the memory. The memory address is taken by X. So this we call it as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Positive index or forward index. We call this as positive index or forward index. Hmm. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. We call this as a negative index or backward index, negative index or backward. Positive index or forward index, negative index or backward index. Okay. Observe here, X is the string name. If I want to access a particular character, what is X of two value? Everyone, try to respond. X of two value is what? X is the string name. At two index, what is the character present,
Sir,
right?
2. Oh, sorry, T.
T, right? Yes. X of -2, X of -2 value.
Is O.
Oh, right. Yes. Means you may get one query. Already we got positive index. Why again negative index is required? Here, okay. If you got a very big string of more than 100 characters, right? Using a positive index, can you print the last character? So it's complex, right? But if you want to print the last character, just to say -1, the last character is going to print. So in that way, you can go for negative indexing, right? So in Python, string represented in single, double, and triple quote. Triple quote is for paragraph or multiple lines. Single quote or double quote are for single line or single word. Each character within this is represented or accessed by a unique index. Two types of indexes, positive index or forward index. The index starts from left side to right side. The index starts with 0. And negative indexing or backward index starts from right to left. Index starts with -1. So if you are keeping anything in starting with hash symbol, it is a comment. If you are starting with hash symbol, it is a comment. It's not executable. But if you want to keep this entire statements in comment, it's not. By understanding I have written. So start with the in this way and end with this. So this is commented now. The entire statements are commented. They are not executable, right? Now x equal to, I'm defining a string with a double quotes Python. Print x. Print x means prints the entire this Python. This is going to print a Python, right? Print len of x. Print x type of x. What type it is? Yesterday I was discussing about type function, ID function, right? Type of x. What you are trying to assign to X?
String.
String. So the type will be what type? String type.
String type.
Len of X. What is the length of this X? Length of X means length, the number of characters in this. Length is nothing but what? Number of characters in this. What is the length?
5.
6. 6
0.
6 characters. Forget about the index.
Okay.
Number of
Okay.
characters. Here I'm writing a comment for your understanding. Returns number of characters. Number of characters. How many characters here? 6 characters. Now, print the value of x of 2. X of 2 value.
T.
T. Print x of minus 3.
H.
Okay.
H. Minus 1.
str with any name, you can save it. Dot py with dot py extension. Check here, run module, right? Yes. I just show you, right? That hope everyone have installed Python in your systems. So here length is a 6 number of characters. Type what type? str string type. X of 2, x of minus 3 is h. This is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Yes, h. Now, y is another string. I am taking y as another string. PROGRAMM. So within the double quotes, you need to give. String means within the double quotes. Anything within the double quotes or single quote is a string. Print x plus y. What is the output you get? Python plus programming. Python programming. What is output you got? Python plus programming. Python programming. I want a space between Python and programming, right? I want a space between Python and programming. Yes. So add 3 strings. X is 1, Y is 1. In between those two, one blank string. 3 strings. Python plus space plus programming. 3 strings are getting added. This we call it as concatenation. What is that? What do you mean by concatenation? Adding 2
2
strings.
strings.
Adding 2 strings, right? First string followed by second string. Adding 2 strings means first string followed by second. Okay. For every statement, you need to save control S, control S. If you write any single character or line, you need to save it, control S. Run module. Python space programming. What is that? Python programming. If you got any queries, just unmute yourself directly through voice. You can ask your query or you can type in the chat. Yes.
Hi
Yes.
Vijay, this is my
Yes.
first session. How many sessions I had lagged behind here?
3 sessions you have got previous this.
Okay, thank you.
So you'll be getting the videos of it. You can go through that, right? Before the next session. So practically, right? This was the second session, right?
Okay, thanks.
Now, string slicing, right? Extracting particular portion of a string. Extracting particular portion of a string. People from non-programming are 0. You can make notes parallelly also, right? Extracting particular portion of a string. Okay. X equal to Python program. X equal to Python program, right? Yes, I've taken a string. Now just extract only Python from this or slice only Python from this. I just want only Python from this. Now Everyone try to unmute yourself and everyone try to give the responses, right? From here onwards, I want the sessions to be interactive. Whether your answers are correct or wrong, I want every one of you to respond, right? Through voice or through chat. Anything is fine. If you got any background noise, just respond through voice. Sorry, respond through chat. Otherwise else. Now try to say everyone, I want to extract only Python, slice only Python, right? So what is this index? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what I need to give? 0 to 0 colon
5.
5. Actually 5 I need to give, but you need to provide 6 here. Actually 5, but
Space.
we need to give 6, not space. 1 second. This we call it as lower bound. This we call it as higher bound. Lower bound and upper bound we say. Lower bound and upper bound. Always upper bound is excluded. Keep in mind, always upper bound is if you give 5 here, 5 will be excluded. Means you won't get this n. That's why if you use 6, even if 6 is excluded, up to 5 takes, right? So you will get Python. So for your understanding, I'm writing a comment here. Comment for your understanding. Always upper bound is excluded. Always upper bound is excluded, right? Check it. And str, any name with the .py extension. Check it. Are you getting Python or not? Are you slicing Python, right? If you give 5 here, you won't get that n. 5 excludes up to 4 only it takes. You won't get that n, right? Understood why I have taken 6 here, everyone. Okay. Next, extract the middle portion of the string. Extract or slice only that PROG, the 4 characters in the middle. This middle portion of the string I want to extract. Now everyone try to provide your answers fast. Unmute yourself and try to respond. Yes, print x of 7 to yes.
7.
8.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Yes, what is that? 7 to 11. That's fine. Observe here, this is 0, starts with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Even this space takes one index, 6. Start with 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 or 11? 11 I need to queue. 11 excludes up to 10 it will consider. Check it. Yes, P one second. Run module 7 to 11, right? PROG, that whatever you want to extract from it, you can extract. But just check with this, right? Print, try to comment on this. If I provide opposite way, 7 to 11, okay, PROG. But 11 to 7, if I say in the opposite way, what you get? Yes. 7 to 11, fine. If you just reverse it, what is output?
Python.
-4 to -6.
What is my query here?
Don't get anything.
7 to
Sir,
11.
GRAM.
Observe carefully here. 7 to 11 means PROG you got. If I just say 11 to 7 in this way, observe carefully here. Empty string it prints. Empty string. Why empty string? Because
Because the character are less.
always slicing in the forward direction only. You cannot go in the backward direction. Anytime if you are slicing or extracting in the backward direction, you will get empty string. Check it. Have you got empty string or not? You will get one empty string. Can you see here? Empty. So observe here, 7 to 11 means you are going in the forward direction like this. 7 to 11 means you are going in the forward. 11 to 7 means you are going in the backward in this way. From backward direction you are going, right? Anytime if you are going in backward direction, it just give the result as empty string. You cannot slice in backward. Now try to extract PROG using a negative index, everyone. I want every one of you to respond, right? Whether your answers are correct or wrong. Unmute yourself. Yes. Extract PROG using a negative index. Yes. Give a try. This I want using negative index now. Print.
Minus 4 to minus 7.
Minus 7.
Minus. Try to say minus.
7.
Minus 4 to
Minus 4 to
minus 7.
minus 4 to minus 7. You are going in the backward direction.
Minus 7.
Okay.
Oh, sorry.
Previously one answer, right? Minus 4 to minus 7. Are you going in backward direction or forward direction?
Backward.
Backward means empty string you will get.
Yes.
Using negative index also, proceed in the forward direction. Minus?
Minus 7.
Yes, minus 7.
Minus.
Minus 7 to minus 4.
Minus 4.
Plus 1, minus 3.
Minus 7 to, yes, someone said just now.
Minus 7 to minus 3.
Yeah, minus 7 to minus 3. Yes. See, observe here, this is minus 1. This is minus 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Minus 7 you want, minus 6 you want, minus 5 you want, minus 4 also you want. Minus 4 also if you want, what I need to give? Minus 3. Minus 3 excludes. Up to minus 4 it will consider, right? So check, are you getting the same result? PROG, right? Yes. So remember, yes, someone, right? Yes, Pavan Kumar, right? So it will start with minus 1 here. It starts with minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So go in the forward direction, minus 7, minus 6, minus 5, minus 4. Give minus 3, it excludes up to minus 7 to minus 4, right? Now try to extract the entire word. First you say me using positive index only. Program. I want to extract the entire word program using positive index. You say me first. Print x of
13. Oh, sorry, 7.
7 to
7 to 40. 14.
13.
Observe here 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Up to 13. 14th index not available. Can I take 14?
No.
If I take 13, you won't get M, right?
Yes.
Yes.
M will be excluded.
14.
So take 14. Can I take 14? 14 index not available. You can take because 14 is getting excluded here. 14 is excluded. Up to 13 only it will consider. It is, we won't access 14 here. 14 excludes, up to 13 only it consider, right? 7 to 13. You get program. Otherwise, shortcut. There is another way, right? X of 7 to, don't provide the upper bound. Means what it will do? Up to the end of the string, it will read whatever is there. Both prints program. So in the second case, I just ignored the upper case. I just ignored the upper case, right? Yes.
ఎక్కువ చేస్తున్నామా మనం ఏదో ఇన్ని కంట్రోల్ చేయమంటే ఇది మరి ఎక్కువ చేసేస్తున్నాం అనిపిస్తుంది నాకు మనం ఏదో ఇది
Yes, sir.
మానిటర్ చేయండి మీరు షెడ్యూల్ చేసుకోండి అంటేనేమో ఇది మరి ఎక్కువ చేసేస్తున్నాం
Ram Marpi, yes, any query you got? Hello? Please be in mute. I'm getting sound from you. Yes. Yeah, understood this everyone, right? Next, using a negative index, you say me, everyone. Yes. X of
Minus 7 to
everyone. Minus 7 to, I want program using negative index.
Minus 7 to 0.
Minus 7 to 0 means the first one. This one. 0 means this. positive index.
Okay. -7, then we can left.
Just leave it blank.
Yeah. So this is the only way, right? You can -7 to up to the end of the string. -7 to up to of the end of the string, right? Yes. Yeah. So this is run module. This you will get the same output, right? Program. Okay. It reads up to the end of the string. -7 to end of the string. Now, is it valid if I ignore this lower bound? If I ignore this lower bound, is it valid?
No.
Yes.
If
No.
yes, then from where it is going to slice?
0.
From 0, yes. So it is valid. By default, it will read from the start of the string to 6. 6 excludes up to this and this both are same. If you are ignoring this lower bound, it reads from the start to that particular. If you are ignoring the upper bound, it will read up to the end of the string. If you ignore both, is it valid? If I ignore both lower bound and upper bound, is it valid?
Yes. Full
What
string.
what it will display? The
Full string.
entire string will be displayed, right? Yes. Is it compulsory to have space here? Is it compulsory or can I give in this?
Not compulsory.
So these three statements are same, right? This,
Yes.
this or this results the same output. Python program. The last four statements results the same, right?
Yes.
This four statements results the same output. The entire string Python program. All right. Python program. Okay. Now, can I take the combination of negative and positive index -7 to 11? Is it valid combination of negative index and positive index? Is it valid?
No, it's not valid, but it will print
No.
space. Empty space.
-7 means this P. 11 means this R. Going in the forward direction, PROG is the output.
Is it valid?
Valid. You are going in the forward direction, PROG is the output. -7 means this P. 11 means what? R. R excludes PROG. Yes, you can take the combination of negative, positive, but check that if it is going in the forward direction, it will print. Otherwise, empty string. Now, can you check what is this? Any queries here? Up to here, anyone? Any queries? For your understanding, I'm writing
No,
comments.
sir.
These red color ones are comments for your understanding, right? They are
Yes.
not executable. Okay, x of 0 to 14 with a step of 2 with the increment of 2. What is that? 0 to 14 with the increment of 2. What is 0? Start value. What is 14? Stop value.
And value.
Yes. And what is 2? Step value. Step value means increment by 2. 0 to 14 increment by 2 always. After 0, what is the next index? 2.
2.
Increment.
4.
After 2, what is the next? 4. After that,
6.
8, 10, 12. 14 excluded. Up to 12, right? Means 0, what is that? 0 means P. Next to 2,
E.
T.
T.
Next,
O.
O. Space.
Next
T.
space.
Yes.
R.
R.
G.
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 A.
Yeah.
So it is ending with RGA, right? Check it. Is it ending with getting the same output? RGA.
Sir, if it is ending at, let's say, at M, so will it skip that?
Which is ending with
Let's say if it is ending with M, ending at M, so will it skip? Upper bound should be skipped, no? 0 to 14 means 0 to 13, right?
14 skipped up to 12 only it will consider.
Yes.
12
Okay.
means up to this here. This 13.
Okay.
Now check this. X of 0 to 14 means 0 to 14 means how can I represent 0 to 14 in this way? 0 to 14 means I can represent in this way or not? 0 to 14. Okay, so colon 2. Both are same, right? This and this. 0 to 14 means this one.
Mhm.
This 2 as it is. Last colon 2 is as it is. But 0 to 14 means this one. Lower bound, upper bound, both ignored, right? Same output you get or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
I want the sessions to be more interactive, everyone. 0 to yes, P to U is right. Okay. Now check with this, right? Print x of colon -1. This is a reverses, right? Reverses the yes. Reverses the string. It reverses the string, right? In the reversed order, it is going to print the string in the reversed order, right? Python program. So have you heard about the word palindrome? Anyone? Have you heard
Yes, sir.
about the word palindrome? What is a palindrome? Anyone?
Alternative.
So
It's similar
palindrome,
in the ways, even in forward direction or in
if we reverse a
direction.
string, if we reverse a string, if we get the same string, if we get the same string, if we reverse a string, if we get the same string, then it is a palindrome. If we reverse a string, if we get the same string, then it is a palindrome. Example of palindrome, anyone? Madam,
Literal, LIRL,
Li,
RIL.
little. If you reverse also, you should get the same string.
Yes.
Malayalam, if you reverse, you should get the same string.
Level.
Level, MOM, race
Ready.
car, race car.
Wove.
Refer.
Wow.
Wow.
Year on year. Y on Y.
EYE.
Refer. REFER.
Tat, tit for tat.
Yeah. In this way, right? Yes. Okay. Palindrome means if you reverse also, if you get same thing, right? Yes. MADAM is a string. MADAM, right? Is a string. Print X means it prints madam as it is. Reverse it. How to reverse? Just now I said reversing means keep in mind this is what reversing. Whatever name here, not only X, you can take any name for the string. Any name you can give for the string, the name of the string and colon -1 means reversing. The output, whatever you get, you again store it in variable Y. The output, whatever you get from it, store in Y and print Y. Both X and Y, if they are same, then it is a palindrome. If both X and Y are same, then it is a palindrome. Simple code, right? The same code if you see in C language or in other Java, you need to write a lot of code for this palindrome. Here, just one line. Okay, this is string slicing, right? Slicing forward index, backward index, and slicing a portion of a string. Next, we no need to write huge codings in Python. Very less code you write. We have got many methods and functions for this string. String methods, one by one methods we'll discuss. No need to write any code for that. For example, 5 lines, 10 lines, or 100 lines, everything are in the lower case. All the 100 lines, I want to make it into uppercase. How can you do? 1,000 lines are there. I want to make it into uppercase. Or one line is there, or one word is there. We have got upper. There is a method called upper to print in uppercase. to print in uppercase. For example, I'm taking X equal to Hyderabad, right? A word or a line or a paragraph, whatever you take, I want it in. Means X is a string. I want in upper, X dot upper, that's it. X dot upper. Save it first. Control S. Save this. Without saving, we cannot run this. Now here run. Otherwise run FI. FI is the shortcut. Hyderabad. Everything in the uppercase one. Printing Hyderabad in uppercase one. Or a word or a line or a paragraph. If you want to print the string name dot upper. Similarly, if you want to print something in lowercase. So print in lowercase. X equal to Mumbai. It is in uppercase. Print it in lowercase. X dot lower. A method. We have got a string method lower. It prints it in the lowercase. Mumbai in lower you got. But in other programming, we need to write code for it. But see this X equal to, this time I'm giving India. Observe here, only the first character I want in uppercase, remaining all in the lower cases. Only the first character I want in the uppercase. Only this I want in uppercase, remaining everything in the lower case. X dot capitalize. There is a method called capitalize. Check it. Only I in the uppercase, remaining all in the lower cases. Check it. Means what this capitalize method? Capitalize means it capitalizes the first character of a string. What is first character of a string? For example, observe this word. I got good evening, Hyderabad. Line I have taken. In this, how many words are there? Yes.
3 words.
3 words. Every word, first character I want in uppercase. G in upper, E in uppercase, H in uppercase. Every word, if I use capitalize, only G only will appear in uppercase. But every word, first character I want in uppercase.
Proper.
X dot.
Proper.
Capitalize.
Capitalize means only the first character only in the, only this first
Okay.
character.
Upper.
only.
Upper.
Upper means everything will in appear. I want only this G, E, H only in the
Proper.
title. What is that? Title. Check it once. G, good. In G in uppercase, in evening, E in uppercase, Hyderabad. Even if 100 words are there, every word first character will appear in, what is that? Title. What it does? For capitalizing the first character of each word in a string. Okay, if you have got a string of, okay. For example, where exactly this can be used in the real time, right? This title method, how it can be useful. For example, you have got some employees names, employees like Rohit, Ajay, Miller, Blake, James, Rahul. In this way, you got some names, hundreds of employee names are there. Here I am taking some names. No, not like this. 1 second. Entire thing in double quotes, right? This entire as in the double quotes means it's a string. You got multiple names are available. I want every employee name first character in the uppercase. Ajay A should be upper, James J should be in upper, Rahul R should be in every employee name first character. What should I write? EMPS dot
Title.
check it. Run module. Rohit R in uppercase, Ajay A in uppercase, Miller, Blake, James, Rahul. Everything in the uppercases, right? Each and every employee name, first character in the uppercase it is printing, right? Any query in this, anyone? Next. Swap case. Swap case means it reverses the case. Converts one case to another. Converts one case to another. If it is in, for example, if it is in lower case, it reverses to upper. If it is in upper, it reverses to lower. It reverses, right? Print X dot swap case. What you get? Everything in the upper case. If it is in upper, if you got combination of upper and lower, all the uppers to lower, all the lowers to upper. Everything in a lower, it converted to upper, right? Swap case. In this way, we have got many methods per string. We no need to write any codes. And here replace method, replace. For replacing a portion of a string. For replacing a portion of a string. For replacing a portion of a string. X equal to, I'm saying Java is easy. I'm saying Java is easy. Print X is the string dot replace the word Java with the word Python, right? What is output you get? Replace
Python
the
is easy.
right. Run module. So Python is easy. For example, Java is easy and Java is simple. Will it replace each and every occurrence of Java with Python, or
Yes, sir.
only the first occur Java? What is that?
Wherever there is a Java, it will replace
Replace with Python.
Python.
So Python is easy and Python is simple. Even Java occurred for 10 times, all the 10 occurrences will be replaced with Java, right? There is a method called count. Counts the number of occurrences, counts the, just like normal English statements. Are you seeing any complex statements or words? Hello?
No.
No, sir.
Everything looks in this way same. Python statements look like normal English statements, right? Counts the number of occurrences, right? Of a substring or a character. Counts the number of occurrences of a substring or a character, right? For example, a general string I will take. Just I am taking a normal hello, 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 right? How are you? So a general string I am taking, right? In this X is the string. Count I want. In the X string, which count you want? HELLO, right? Hello, the count of hello. What is the count of hello here?
3.
3. It prints 3. For example, print X is the string. In that, I want the count of a particular character H. What is the count of H?
Fourth.
4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Run module, right? Yes. Count hello is 3, character H is 4. Okay. Now, for example, up to now, I have taken single line string. Now I will take a paragraph, multiple lines, 10 lines I'll take. For example, my name of the string, not only X, you can give any name, right? Data is. So I'll just go to my C drive, I'll bring some data, right? If I got some data, right? In the data, I've got data folder, data, right? In this, if I open some notepad, here, I got a Python is simple, some Python features, user-friendly, Python supports interactive mode, thousands of modules. Just I'm copying this data. Any data you copy of multiple lines. So I'm just bringing to this, right? See, Python is providing different colors for different functionalities. For comment, what color? Red. For string, which color it is providing?
Green.
Green. For in built-in functions like print, violet color.
For
It's violet, right? Okay, whatever it is, right? Red color, green color, violet, and okay. For example, I'm keeping double quotes. I'm pasting that code, 10 lines code, 10 lines, whatever that data, right? Whatever data. If I just know, just before I discussed, right, strings, 3 ways of representing, right? How to represent string using single quote, double quote. Single quote and double quote is for single line or single word, but use triple quote for multiple lines or a paragraph. So here, how many lines are appearing in green color? How many lines are appearing in green color?
One.
1.
String should be in green color, right? Means double quote or single quote, only
Is
one
missing.
line, only one line, only one line, only if you give double quote also, right? Only one line. But if I keep it triple quote, everything in the green color, right? What is your observation here? Single
But
line,
if we will,
single line string, use double quote. For multiple lines, go for triple quote.
but the last time you have shown triple quotes as comment.
That is this way.
Okay. Okay, got it.
Okay, now observe this. Within this data, I want the count of Python. I want the count of Python. What is the count of Python here? Count of Python. Hello?
And
10.
In
11.
10,
10.
10, right? In 10 lines, 10 times circle. So the count of Python here is 0. So here Python is case sensitive. Python is case sensitive. Uppercase, lowercase is taken differently. Uppercase Python, lowercase Python is different. So here starting with capital P. If I give capital P, right? Okay, you will get now 10. Python upper count you got 10 now. Print data dot count of Python in lowercase.
0.
0 it gives because this there is no word with Python, right? But capital P means okay. But I assume you got some in uppercase, some Pythons in lowercase, some only for capital P it's starting with. irrespective of uppercase, lowercase, anything, I just want to see how many Pythons are there. By the word Python. I want that output.
Capitalize.
Yes, either do one thing, print entire data. Entire data you convert either to lowercase or uppercase. I'm converting entire thing to lowercase. Entire thing to lowercase means this also into lower, every line or every character into lowercase. Now on that you say count of Python. Now two methods I'm applying. One is lower and one is count. You can also apply in this way, right? Data dot lower. Everything, entire data into lowercase. Now you got everything in lowercase. Now on that I want the count of Python. Now it gives 10. Okay. And one more method. Format. What is that? Format method for substitutions. For substitutions, right? X equal to, just like fill up the blank, is the captain of Indian team. Don't give any space here, just give curly bracket, just like fill up the blank, right? Is the captain of Indian cricket team. Print. X is the string. What is the method? Format method. Now try to give the value here. Rohit. Now what is the answer you get? Rohit is the captain of Indian team.
So what is the benefit of using it
Okay.
in real life?
Today's date is, I'll give curly bracket. Today if you execute, you will get today's date. Tomorrow if you execute, you will get tomorrow's date.
Okay.
Understand?
Sir,
But-
can you explain this again?
Which one?
This format one.
So just like fill up the blank, right? Is the
Oh.
captain of Indian team.
It is of,
So,
it represents some dynamic values, right?
So dynamic values, right? X dot format. You can provide any value. For example, okay. Observe this example too. We can have multiple, for example, y equal to. Try to frame some meaningful sentence from this. Multiple substitutions. Multiple substitutions. X y dot format. Try to say y dot format. In the first, try to substitute some 3 strings here. Modi in the first one is the PM second one of India, right? Understood this. In the first substitution, Modi is in the second one, PM of India. Try to frame some other sentence from this, from the same thing, a y dot format.
Dhoni is the captain of India.
Okay, Dhoni, captain, India. Next, print y dot format. Rahul Gandhi or Rahul is the son of Rajiv. In this way, right? Print. Multiple substitutions. Lion is the king.
King of
For
jungle. Forest.
Print. Multiple substitutions. Now, can I use multiple words? Multiple words. Python, right? Now, in this second substitution, can I use multiple words or a line? Python is the most popular, right? Of in the third substitution, all languages. Languages, right? In this way, I can substitute, right? So you'll check this output, run module in this way, right? Yes, Modi is the PM of India, Dhoni captain of India, Rahul son of Raju, king of forest, most popular. So in this way, you can substitute. Later, I'll show you dynamically how can we perform this. So in this way, we have got, see, we have discussed upper, lower, capitalized, title, swap case, replace, count, format. Still, we have got methods like strip method, find method, join methods, starts with, ends with, is alpha, many other methods, right? I'll continue in the tomorrow's class. And as I said, tomorrow the link will be changing. So you are supposed to get enrolled to get the new link to your mail ID, right? So you can see in the chart, the payment details are provided. The contact details of those people, online team is forwarded. So the course content is forwarded. And if you, any one of you have missed the previous session, see that demo videos, they are given the YouTube link, right? You can see. From tomorrow, you will be getting the videos to your Google Drive. Notes, whatever notes, right? From the starting, you will be getting to your mails. And a WhatsApp, you will be added to the WhatsApp group tomorrow. So tomorrow during the session, right? A link will be, WhatsApp group link will be forwarded, right?
Sir, just a question.
Yes.
You said 70 hours, right?
Mm.
So 1 hour, if you take daily 1 hour, Monday to Friday.
Sometimes
So,
on Saturdays I'll be taking, sometimes some bigger sessions on Saturdays I'll be taking.
okay. No, because like I am working, so
Yes,
this timings will not be changed, right?
same timing.
Saturday,
8,
Sunday is okay because
okay,
office will not be there.
same timings will be there. So I do have a session after this
Okay.
at 9 o'clock. Fine.
Okay, sir. Sir, today we have which topic we have finished. It's a data type.
Yeah, in data types we have discussed of string,
Okay.
strings, string indexing, string slicing, string methods. Still a lot more discussion of strings, string methods, string functions, string special characters. I'll be discussing in the next class, right?
Okay.
Right.
Sir, I have a question.
Yes, go ahead.
Sir, I'm from student.
You are?
I'm from the student, sir.
You're from M Pharmacy. Okay.
Yeah. If this courses is useful for me to getting a job in IT, sir.
So just 1 second, I was saying, right? So anybody can update with Python. Anybody can update with Python. There is no prerequisite, I said, right? So you have given a big, okay, I didn't, okay, you are studying currently pursuing M Pharmacy. I'm interested in exploring IT such as Python and Linux. Would like to understand learning the skills. Someone's working like mine in terms of career. Okay, okay. If you have got a good command on this Python, definitely you can get through this. But as compared with others, you won't have that much of calls. You'll be having that much of calls you won't be having. But once you get a chance, right? If you are getting showing your skills, definitely you can get through it. There are some companies, right? They are asking for this any background. If you have got good command, if you are showing your skills in that, definitely. Otherwise, if you can just go with some startup companies initially. With that experience, you can just go up with the other companies next. Fine.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. Any other queries, right? Anyone? You can check the
Sir,
course
quick
content.
question.
Yes.
Let's say palindrome number like madam, let's say palindrome string. Will it considered as two objects or single object? Let's say x is equal to madam, y is equal to reverse of x.
Two objects.
Okay. Okay, understand.
X for x1 object, y also. Both will point to the same. Sorry, you are
Okay.
saying the objects you are talking, right?
Object,
Only
yes.
one object. Only one
Okay,
object.
it considered as single
Because the
object
contents are
stores in
same.
single address. Yes.
Content is same, right? Only one object. Okay. But
Okay.
variables, two variables, but only one object.
Okay, got it.
Yes.
Thank you.
So try to be regular to the session. sessions. Try to interact in the sessions, right? Sessions. Okay, fine. Tomorrow we'll continue same time, but the link will be changing. You can just check with that, right? And a lot of you will do a mistake, right? Once you got enrolled, right, you won't share the screenshot of your payment. If you are not sharing, they won't forward that link. So just they have given a mail ID, right? You can see, you can copy the entire DURGASOFT online training at the rate gmail.com. Try to share the screenshot of your payment to that mail ID. Then only.
One question. Actually, we shared the screenshot, but we didn't get
So,
confirmation
No,
reply.
no. Tomorrow they'll give, tomorrow afternoon, right? They'll provide you.
Okay, okay, thank you.
So yes, if anybody, if you not got that by tomorrow evening by 6 o'clock, if you still not got the link, right, you can call on that numbers that are provided, right? Yes. Okay. So 3 numbers are provided. You can check with that. Okay, fine. So if you have no other queries, I'll just sign off for now. Right. Meet you tomorrow.